Alright guys, we are going to do more continuation revision on probability. Alright, so let's continue from what we have here. Alright, the pointer of the spinner with 10 equal sectors is spun twice. Here is the pointer and the spinner. Now when we see the word twice, what does that mean? Good. So we are going to spin it 2 times. And what do I mean by and in probability? And means multiply. Okay. So step number 1, what do we have? The pointer lands on a dotted and then a solid sector, right? So let's see what is the probability of it landing on a dotted. How many dotted sectors do we have here?
3.
We have 3. What is the total amount of sectors here? 10, right? So the dotted will be what? 3 over 10. Very good. And the solid also came out. Now, the solid here is this 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Solid, which is 4 tenths, and when you simplify, we get 2 over 5. Understood? Now, the question is asking it lands on a dotted and solid. So, dotted is what? What the fraction of dotted?
3 over 10.
3 over 10. What do you mean by and?
Multiply.
Multiply. What is the solid?
2 over 5.
2 over 5. So how will we write the statement here? We'll have 3 over 10 multiply with what? Multiply with 2/5, which will give us 6 over 15, which is 3 over 25. Understood? All clear? Good? Okay now? Alright, let's go to the next one. Now, for the next one, we are continuing with the same spinner. Right, guys? We are continuing with the same spinner here. Now, the pointer lands on a solid sector each time. Now, here is where many of you guys made mistakes. Now, from the beginning of the question, how many times are we going to look at? 2 times, correct? Many of you guys just wrote the probability of 1 time and you guys called it a day. Is that correct or wrong? Wrong, correct? Now, in this way, what is the first probability of landing on a solid? Solid. 4 over 10. And when you simplify, what do we have? Simplify. 2 over 5. Okay, so the first spin is 2 over 5. The second spin will also be the same, right? 2 over 5. The probability they're asking is solid and solid. Now, what do you mean by and again? Multiply. So it will be 2 over 5 multiply with 2 over 5, which is equal to 4 over 25. Very good, guys. 4 over 25. Right? Let's go to the next question. Let's see. And it is still talking about a spinner here. So in this one, they're asking the pointer does not land on a solid sector each time. So we are talking about all the other sectors which are not solid. So how many sectors are not solid?
6.
So very good, 6. So what will the probability be of not solid?
3 over 5.
Very good, 6 over 10, which is equal to 3 over 5. So the first spin is 3 over 5. The second spin will also be 3 over 5. Now what is the probability of not solid and not solid? What do we have?
9 over 25.
3 over 5 times 3 over 5, which is 9 over 25. Mean and good, understand? What's up? Good? Yes, 6 is not solid. So here totally we have 10, yes? 4 is equal to solid, so that means 6 is not solid. Alright? Or you can just count it individually. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay? You can do it individually or you can just subtract it.